Hello, students. I am sharing this video because I will admit that I made a couple of mistakes when I was trying to make this thing run. So, having watched the videos and learned what I learned, and even though I do know this, I started out by thinking, okay, this is pretty straightforward. I need to drop a ball here, move forward one, turn right, drop a ball here, move forward one, turn right, drop a ball here, and then turn left. And I thought I would be done. So here's how I started. Um, oops, don't even want to do that first. I want to do a put ball. I'm having all sorts of tech issues here. Number one, the microphone keeps sliding down. Sorry about that. Okay, put the ball, move, and then I was thinking, okay, all I was going to have to do was totally cheat, copy this, and paste it, and I'd be happy to go. So what I was expecting here was putting the ball, moving forward one space, turning right. So I went to run it, and he didn't turn right. What am I doing wrong, right? So then I thought, okay, well, maybe I needed to just turn left a few times and only put this in one time. Let me get rid of that. Let me run that. And that seemed to be okay. Then I could move forward and then turn left and then put the ball and then let's see what that does for me. So moving forward, turning left, or excuse me, turning right, dropping the ball. And, of course, when I'm taking a look at this, it still says your code doesn't call the turn right function enough times. Looks like my indentation is off. Okay, well, I can fix that. That's no problem. And if I click on check the code, I've got, all right, I don't have credit for having done the entire exercise yet because I know I haven't done it, but it says I haven't turned right. And I certainly tried to turn right. So what is that about? Let me just check it one more time in hopes. And I'm ready to repeat the sequence again, but the program is right that in the fact that for some reason, this didn't appear to be working. And the bottom line, of course, is that while I knew this, I totally forgot that this little piece is just defining the function. So what I really needed to do was kind of put that up here at the top, and you can even see that they have done what's called a remark on this particular piece, that this is just simply defining the function. And that's all it's doing. In order for it to actually turn right, I would now need to call the function of turn right and have it do that. So I'm not quite sure if the rest of this is correct. In fact, let me go ahead and just um, move this away just to see what it looks like. So he's moving forward and he's turning right. Now I need to go ahead and complete the rest of it by doing the moves, putting the ball, moving, turning right, etc. But the mistake I was making is that I confused the idea of defining the function with actually calling the procedure. So here I would want to go ahead and call the function. And one of the hints that I got was taking a look down here at the documentation. So they show you this is an example of defining the function. And then they turn around and show you this, that you have to actually call the function. So this top portion is defining the function, and this portion is actually calling the function right there. So I hope that helps as a hint.